What's good, y'all? Trucker Boy Breezy here, man, and here we go. I made it. Got to my delivery. Looks like they building something over there, man. Another little small road. Look like I had to back in here, but I wonder if I'm gonna have to back out. Hoping it's where I'm gonna get unloaded yet at. So I'm about to try to go in this little building and check in real quick and start getting these tarps and stuff off, man. Let's get it going, baby. Let's do it. And good morning to y'all, man. You know, make sure y'all watch this video, man. Watch it to the end. Make sure you like, comment. Please let me know. Talk to me. You know what I'm saying? And subscribe. Definitely subscribe, man. And share the video, man. Let everybody know about Trucker Boy Breezy, man. We out here, baby. We out here. I'm trying my best to record this stuff, man. This stuff. Gotta find somewhere to sit this up at. If y'all can see that, I don't know. We'll find out. Let me unstrap here. Do you know? Alright. Time to unstrap. Tarps, taking off straps, rolling up straps. Bad, I'm at 47 minutes. I started the camera as soon as I started. That ain't too bad. Luckily I didn't have 3 tarps to roll up. I hope they don't ask me to move around, because some of this stuff look like it's gonna fall. I'll show y'all. But don't worry. Video ain't gonna be nowhere near an hour. And a lot of it gonna be on like a, I mean, I didn't do a time lapse on the camera, so I don't know how that's gonna work. I know I'm gonna have to try to speed it up at some point. So I guess I just have to try to manually speed it up and see how it looks. Or I may just scrap the whole thing. Who knows? Y'all either gonna see this or you're not. If you do, then I guess I did a pretty good job. If you don't, well, still got some work to do. Well, looks like I'm gonna be backing out like that dude did. Oh man, y'all can't see that. I'm gonna have to zoom in. But yeah, I had to back all the way back down there and back up into the street. Dang it. At least somebody gonna be watching the traffic for it. And done. All right, y'all. I'm finna done strapping. This is the load right here. So elevator parts. I guess to make an elevator. But yeah. All right, I'm done. About to put the rest of this stuff up, and I catch up with y'all in a little bit, man. Yes, sir. Next time y'all probably see me is probably be at my pickup. All right, y'all.